Are you looking for the best welding blankets? In this video, we will look at some of the best welding blankets on the market before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ABN Heavy Duty Fiberglass Fire Retardant Blanket, 4x6 feet. Product features abrasion resistant. Can withstand high temperatures. Lightweight. Suitable for large applications. Among all the available retardant blankets, the ones that have a tight weaving pattern are the most durable ones. And one of the units that can illustrate that perfectly would be this one that is from ABN. To begin with, it is available in 2 different sizes. Depending on the size of your smoker, you can choose from 4x6 feet or 6x8 feet. By getting the large-sized one, you can ensure that you can cover the smoker entirely, which will let you make sure that it is properly insulated. It is also constructed from high-density fiberglass that can work with up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. By putting this on top of your smoker, you are going to ensure that no heat can escape from the inside. As a result, you can cook the meats faster in colder seasons. Apart from that, the weaving pattern that it implements is 30x30 per square inches, which is reasonably tight. That tight pattern makes it exceptionally durable. You can expect long-term use out of it. As it is pliable, storing it after use will not be an issue too. Lastly, the sturdy brass grommets that it has will allow you to easily hang it or attach it with your cooker. Pros. Exceptionally durable. Comes in 2 different sizes. Can offer proper insulation. Easy to store. Has durable grommets. Cons. The 6x8 size options might tend to have a large number of loose fiber. Number 2. Nico 10908A Fiberglass Welding Blanket and Cover, 4x6. Product features 16 ounces. Carbonized fiber construction. Soft and flexible. 1800 degree heating capacity. Anyone looking for a 100% flame retardant welding blanket should take note of this fireproof blanket. It is a durable and general-purpose welding blanket. This blanket is effective in preventing damage from sparks and spatter thanks to the heavy-duty fiberglass material. The hems are another feature that makes this welding blanket worthy of your attention. These hems are fray-resistant thanks to the unique 3/8-inch ID hem. It's because of these hems that the blanket doesn't shed off fibers, which can easily catch fire. The blanket's brass grommets are well placed at every 11 inches of its border, thus allowing for easier and faster setup. Never have to worry about splatter or spark damaging your property or causing fire again with the help of this woven welding blanket made from heavy-duty fiberglass material. The 19.8 ounces per square yard of fiberglass material truly makes this resistant to the heat from the welding machine. You can rely on this for multiple uses because of its durable and reinforced material. Pros. The model prevents property damage from spatter and sparks since doing excellent work. It performs an excellent job in camp pellets, smoker, during heat or cold season. The model can work exceptionally well with light, sticks, and sparks. Cons. The model is not appropriate during the winter season, hindering smoking food. Number 3. Hansway High Temp 48x72x1/4 6mm thickness felt carbon. As the name rightly suggests, this is not just one welding blanket. You have the option of selecting from 3 different sizes. The gigantic blanket is 3x3 feet, while the smallest measures 18x25 inches. This is good because you can choose the size that suits your needs. Unlike the other blankets in this review, this welding blanket I made with carbon fiber material, not fiberglass. Carbon material gives this welding blanket a superior working temperature. It can resist temperatures of up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides, this welding item has excellent efficiency in both heating and cooling. You can choose from 3 different sizes for this one. The smallest size has measurements of 18x24 inches, while the biggest one is 3x3 feet. With different size options, you can choose the one that suits your project site size better. Unlike other welding blankets made with fiberglass material, this one has carbon fiber material that is not just resistant to temperatures of up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, it is also resistant to tears. In addition to its heating efficiency, it can also be relied on for its cooling abilities. The Hansway carbon fiber welding blanket can rid you of the tension of damaging your materials, including furniture, wooden items, materials, and even yourself from spark, stag or spatter, as it gives maximum protection to them. You can easily wrap it around objects of different shapes and sizes. It has a compact folding of 18/24 1/4 compact folding, letting you easily store it. 6 mm thickness guarantees perfect prevention from any penetration by the sparks. Pros: carbon fiber material, high temperature tolerance, resistance to tarnishing, dual use. Cons: reduced thickness. High price. Number 4. Fiberglass 4x6 welding blanket, cover, retardant, fireproof. Anyone looking for a 100% flame retardant welding blanket should take note of this fireproof blanket. It is a durable and general-purpose welding blanket. This blanket is effective in preventing damage from sparks and spatter thanks to the heavy-duty fiberglass material. The hems are another feature that makes this welding blanket worthy of your attention. These hems are fray-resistant thanks to the unique 3/8-inch ID hem. It's because of these hems that the blanket doesn't shed off fibers, which can easily catch fire. The blanket's brass grommets are well placed at every 11 inches of its border, thus allowing for easier and faster setup. With a max temperature of 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, Nico 10908A fiberglass blanket and cover for easy hanging and protection is a welding blanket you can trust. The material can shed easily, making it less useful for the purpose it is made up of. Grommets are available at a distance of approximately 24 inches from each other. It is a heavy-duty blanket, so it can efficiently absorb the heat coming from the welding operation. This welding blanket was designed to be used for excellent welding facilities. Fiberglass is a reliable material that can help in the safety of the worker and the apparatus during welding operations. Pros: easy hanging, last multiple usages, durable, high temp tolerance range. Grommets available for easy hanging. Cons: can be torn easily due to fiberglass, so its purpose. Number 5. Welding blanket, heavy-duty fiberglass fire blanket Protec. The more durable the blanket is going to be, the much properly it will be able to insulate your smoker. And this one that we are going to talk about is an excellent example of a unit such as that. Just like some of the other blankets that are out there, this one is also available in 2 different sizes. You can choose between 4x6 feet and 6x8 feet. That means, even if your cooker is relatively large in size, you can properly cover it with one of these. The weaving pattern that these implements are quite dense. It is 30x30 per square inches. For that reason, the durability that it can offer is quite immense. You can expect to last for an extended amount of time without showing any signs of wear and tear. Apart from that, the working temperature of these is up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. For that reason, these will be able to cover up and properly insulate large-sized cookers without any issues at all. Other than that, the hems are quite sturdy. And there are grommets every 11 inches, which will allow you to properly secure it on top of the smoker. They also come in handy in the case of hanging them. Even though there are a plethora of welding blankets in the market, not all of them are actually designed for smokers. Some will not ship with a proper attaching mechanism to let you cover up your cooker. Pros: 2 different sizes available. Has a dense weaving pattern. Comes with strong brass grommets. Can efficiently insulate smokers. Cons: the ends are not cut to square. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.